Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to add the Matic mainnet to your Metamask. So basically I will leave the links in the description for exactly where to find the information, but basically you will be adding the information manually. So what you'll be doing is go to your Metamask, and I'm assuming that you already have your Metamask installed. If not, I have a video on how to install your Metamask. And basically, it's the same procedure no matter what network you want to add, but I'm going to show you how to add the Matic network. I already have it installed, but I'll show you anyway. So what you're going to do is once you're on your MetaMask, I'll show you here too, because you could click on your extensions, click on your MetaMask, and basically once you're on your MetaMask, you go up here and you click on that basically, and you go down and you select Add Network, and that will bring you to this page here. So once you're on this page, this is where you copy and paste all the info to basically add the network. So you go back over here and you start with name, Matic mainnet, you copy that, and then you add it there. And same thing for the new RPC URL, you copy that, and you paste that in the new RPC URL. Boom, you paste that there. The next is the chain ID 137, and then Matic symbol, it's Matic. Copy that, put that there, and the block URL, you copy that, and you paste that here. Boom, and then you would click save, and that is it. That's how you add. That's how you add the Polygon network to your MetaMask. So now what I'm going to show you is how to add the Polygon, to add the Matic token to your MetaMask. Depending on where you're getting it from, it could pop up by itself. But basically, if you want to add any token on the Polygon network, what you would do is you can go to CoinGecko. And basically, if you go to the Polygon network, I'll just use the Matic coin as an example, but it would be the same thing for any other coin that you can join with the Polygon network. So basically, you would go here and always where it says contract in CoinGecko, here's where you're going to find the address, the token address for whichever token, and here's where you select which network you copy the token address for. So basically, this is the token address for Matic on the Matic network. This is the token address for Matic on the Ethereum network. So that's the ERC20 token. So stay away from that because it's just too expensive to use that network. And Harmony, BNB, Moonriver, and so on. So this is where you would find the contract address. So basically, so you copy that. You copy the contract address link there, or I should say you copy the contract address, and you go back to your MetaMask, and you would go to import tokens, and you paste the contract address there. And okay, maybe custom token. Right. Okay, so it was in custom token, not search. So basically, you paste the contract address there, and you could see it found it. It's called Matic. So you would do add custom token, and that would add that to your MetaMask. I'll do it with another token just so you can see how it'll work. So basically, if I choose the USD coin, basically, if I want to add that to my Polygon on my Matic network MetaMask, I'll copy that there. I'll go here, import tokens, custom token. I'll paste that there. USDC, add custom token, import tokens. Basically, I have no balance for the USDC, but then you'll see the token will pop up here. And whenever you send your tokens, you'll see that it's that you'll see your balance here. So that's pretty much the same procedure for all the tokens on each network. You just need to make sure you're on the right network and make sure that you copy the right network address. So make sure everything lines up, and you shouldn't have any issues. So that's how you add the Polygon. That's how you add the Matic network to your MetaMask, and that's how you would add your tokens. And again, it's pretty much the same procedure no matter which network you're using. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.